Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to tell you about 10 tips and tricks that you can do with Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 model. So this phone is actually running on Emotion UI 8.0, which is based on Android Oreo. So there are tons of features here hidden here and there, and this video might help you get the hang of them really easily. So let's go ahead and take a look at these features. Now the first thing that I want to mention here is screen recording, which is a really underrated feature on many smartphones and many companies don't include it, but Huawei is one of those companies that are including this feature. So you can trigger it instantly by simply pressing and holding the power button and volume up button. There will be a countdown. It will count down to 1 and then it will start recording the screen, and then you get this bar here. You can move it around on the screen. When you want to stop it, simply press stop and it will stop. You can also trigger screen recording from the notification shortcuts by just tapping on screen recorder. Now the next feature that I want to mention here is called navigation dock. Now it's not a new feature, but they have modified it and made it better. So to trigger it, you need to go in notification shortcuts and then select navigation dock. Now this floating icon appears here, so if you tap on it, it will tell you exactly what it does. So let's go in settings and go in device connection. Now if I tap it, it will take me one step back. So there you go. Now if I tap and hold and then remove, it will take me back to the home screen. Now if I tap and hold and then move it, it will launch the recents menu. So there you go, that's navigation dock. Next feature is eye comfort. So this is kind of a blue light filter. It's available in many devices nowadays. So what it does is that it filters out the blue light out of your display and in turn reduces the strain on your eyes and then helps you sleep better at night. So this is supposed to be used at night. So to turn this feature on, you need to go in settings, go in display, and here you will see eye comfort. Go in here, you can turn it on straight away and then change the tone from down below, or you can set a schedule. So you can set a start time and end time and do it that way. Next up, we also have app lock on this phone. So you can lock pretty much any app and then unlock it using the fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone. So you need to go in settings, go in security and privacy, and here you will see this feature, app lock. Go in here, it will ask for your fingerprint, do that, and now you're in here, and then you can lock pretty much any app with your fingerprint. So let's go ahead and try it. Let's lock backdrops, go back, and let's try to launch backdrops, and there you go, it's locked and now it's unlocked. Next up, we also have file safe here that allows you to hide your files, your videos, your audios and stuff like that. So for that, go in settings and then go in security and privacy, go in file safe. Now it will ask for your fingerprint, do that, and it will take you to the file save menu. Now you can add images, audio files, video files, and then your documents, and you can do it from within the file save. So here you can select anything that you want. So select images, it will take you to the gallery, select any image that you want and just press add, and it will add that image to the file save. Now on Huawei Y7 Prime, you can also use multi-window feature, and with this larger and taller screen, it's easier than ever to do. So to launch multi-window, you need to be using an app first. So let's just use settings, and then you need to press and hold the recents button. It will launch you in multi-window mode, and here you can launch another app with it. So right now I'm using settings and calculator side by side. So you can do that. You can tap on here and shift them, or you can cancel it. Now moving on, you also get lock screen controls here, which is what you get with every other Huawei device. So on lock screen, all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom of the display and it gives you 4 settings here. So you can launch voice recorder, calculator, flashlight, and timer really quickly. Next up, you can also set the battery percentage to show in the notification panel at the top. So for that, you need to go in settings and then go in apps and notifications and notification status bar, and here go in battery percentage. Now here you can set the battery percentage to appear next to the battery icon, so it will appear next to it, or you can set it to appear inside the battery icon, so it will appear inside it, and I think this is much cleaner and better looking. Now here we can also change how the notifications appear at the notification panel on the top of the display. So we need to go in settings and go in apps and notifications, go in notifications and status bar, and here choose notification method. So if you choose icons, the icons will appear at the top for the apps that the notifications are coming from, or you can change it to numbers, so you will know exactly how many notifications you have pending in the notification panel. Now finally, the last feature that I want to talk about is also here in notification and status bar settings, and here you can actually change if you get a notification, so will it turn on the screen or not. So if you turn it on, when you get a notification, the screen will turn on. If it's off, and you can turn it off, and then when you get a notification, the screen will stay off. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 10 tips and tricks that you can do with Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. If you have any questions about this device, you can let me know in the comments, or you can catch me up on Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.